Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage family law cases with Nolo step by step clearly. Begin by familiarizing yourself with Nolo's resources on family law. Visit the Nolo website and navigate to the family law section. Identify the specific family law case type you are managing, such as divorce or child custody. Download relevant articles or guides that relate to your case. Read through the materials thoroughly to understand the legal terminology and processes involved. Make a list of key legal terms and concepts that may be relevant to your situation. Use Nolo's legal forms to generate necessary documents for your case. Customize the forms based on your unique circumstances to ensure accuracy. Review local laws and regulations that may affect your case by researching your state's family law statutes. Gather all pertinent documents such as financial records, custody agreements, or communication logs. Consider using Nolo's legal newsletters or updates to stay informed about any changes in family law. If applicable, consult with a family law attorney for advice on complex legal issues. Prepare for court by organizing your documents in a logical order. Practice presenting your case clearly and concisely. Utilize Nolo's resources for tips on effective courtroom presentation. Be ready to answer questions and respond to the other party's claims confidently. After your case resolution, reflect on the process and gather feedback for future improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.